In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report on chat and email conversations in HubSpot. We'll walk through the full process from inside your HubSpot account, so you can easily track how your chats and emails are performing and share those insights with your team. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look to the main navigation where your tools are located. Find the reporting icon, then hover over it to reveal the options related to reports. From there, click on Reports. This will take you to the main reporting area where you can view existing reports or create new ones. At the top right, click on Create, and from the drop-down that appears, select Create Report. You'll now be given a few ways to build a report. For this walkthrough, choose the option to use the template report library, then click Next. The template library is useful because it gives you a starting point with pre-built structures, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Next, you'll need to set your data sources. This is where you tell HubSpot what kind of information the report should include. Use the search bar to look for chat and email. You can then choose the specific types of communication you want to analyze, like one-to-one emails, marketing emails, or chats. Select the options that match the conversations you're interested in reporting on. This step is important because it defines exactly what data will show up in your report. Once your data sources are set, HubSpot will display a range of report templates based on those selections. Browse through these templates and pick one that fits your goal. For example, you might choose an activity feed timeline report if you want to see conversations laid out over time. Click on a template to open a larger preview so you can confirm it looks the way you expect. When you're happy with your choice, click Save Report. A panel will open on the right side of the screen. Here, you can give your report a clear, descriptive name, add tags to help organize it, and write a short description explaining what the report is for. You'll also decide where this report should live. Choose whether it shouldn't be added to any dashboard, or if it should be added to an existing dashboard, or even a brand new one. When you've made your selection, click Next. Finally, set who can access the report by adjusting the sharing and permissions options. Once that's configured, click Save, and that's it. You've created a report on chat and email conversations in HubSpot, ready for analysis and sharing.